Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to do wall test or surface test of these 4 lamps. We have tested several of these before, especially this one, and this one on a BMW E30, but it was a little bit different test. But today I'm very interested in showing you the pattern between all of these lamps on a wall, specifically this one and this one in comparison, because I had a lot of people asking me about these. So I'm gonna leave a couple of links in the description where we did tests on BMW, and today we're gonna do a different test. Let's do it. I have this battery right here. It's a 12-volt battery. I don't know where I got it from, but it works good. And the first lamp I'm going to try is this one right here. Alright, we're gonna go and try it against the garage door. Okay, it's total dark, and let's try. So this is sort of like a low beam option. Yeah, see, it's more like a spotlight. And this is more of a high beam option, just a brighter spotlight. So that's why I was recommending using this in a high beam side of a BMW. This is going to be the next lamp. And here's the pattern of this light. You see, this is more of a high beam slash spotlight type of situation. It has no low beam, high beam option, just one beam, that's it. Kind of dissipates all over the place, and it shoots straight. I think pretty nice option for just the high beam. Alright, let's move to the next one. Let's move on to our famous Smiley now. And this is how Smiley's pattern is on the garage door. Pretty good, I think. Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Pretty impressive. Let's move on to the next one. This is our final test. This lamp right here. You see, it looks kind of interesting. It has 2 projectors, I think these are also called projectors, these 2 side ones. Okay, let's go to our battery and garage door. And this is our low beam. Also not bad at all. And this is high beam. High beam. Again, low beam. High beam. This concludes our today's test, and for you guys to understand a little bit better how I did it, imagine 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Give another, I would say, 1/3 of the car length extra, and that's the distance I used between the garage door and the lamp. That concludes our today's test.
I would appreciate if you put a like if you like it, leave a comment of what you like and maybe something that you didn't like, anything that you wish I did in the future, and subscribe please. Thank you.